So I'm going to be showing you why can't you change your birthday on Snapchat. So there are a number of reasons that you might not be able to change your birthday. So the first one is that if you're under 18 years old, according to your current Snapchat birthday, then you cannot change your birth year. Snapchat authorities would think that you're trying to do something illegal or you're underage, and you might see media that isn't exactly targeted to underage minors. So the another reason is that you have changed it a bunch of times. So if you have changed it many times, then you would only be able to change it a limited number of times. So that's why you are not able to change your birthday. The another is for safety reasons. This will help you or prevent teens from circumventing safety protections. So in this way, or these are the reasons that you cannot change your birthday on Snapchat.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.